Hey guys, this is Kaiwan and today I'm going to show you guys 5 low budget must-have add-ons for Blender. These are some of my personal favorite add-ons that I personally use, and I think you should totally use add-ons because they make your life easier. They save you a lot of time and a lot of trouble, especially when it's come to a complicated software like Blender. All the links will be in the description, so without further ado, let's get into it. Photographer. When I first jumped into learning Blender as a photographer, I've always wanted to have some tools that will allow me to connect the dots between my photography skills and the new world of 3D. This add-on made that possible. Photographer so far has been the biggest contributor that helped me to create faster and better renders. You have features like adding as many cameras and viewing them quickly from different angles. This is especially helpful if you don't know which perspective you render to be, as well as having the manual focus peaking to see if your object is in focus, and some ready presets for different type of camera and sensor or lenses. The rest is cherry on top. All of that is just for $16 at the moment of recording this video. I would personally pay a lot more for that. Moving on, Blender Kit. With over 12,000 free models, materials, HDRI, making it easy to quickly drag and drop without leaving Blender. What's amazing about this is that you can download it for free and get tons of free assets with it. But if you like to get access to all the assets, you can pay around $10 per month or just $6 per month if you pay for the whole year. And with time, they constantly add more assets. Random Flow. This is an add-on I recently found and wish I would have found sooner. It's perfect for adding randomness and variety to your models and making them look more natural and interesting. With this add-on, you have a bunch of high-end features like adding random panels, random scatter, cables, tubes, and much more. It's like a shake button on a Polaroid camera, but for 3D modeling. All of that is just $15 on Blender Market. Megascan Bridge is not exactly an add-on, but more like a software you can download. However, it does integrate pretty much with most 3D software, including Blender. Bridge allows you to easily import high-quality scanned asset into your Blender scenes, making your renders look like they were created by a Hollywood VFX studio, not just you alone in your room on a Friday night. This one is a subscription-based add-on for $19 per month, which for me is totally worth it because I already make money with my work. Pulley Haven Asset Browser is more of a asset browser similar to Blender Kit, but is one-time payment and it comes with lifetime access and update. With over thousands of HDRI models and materials, you can easily drag and drop them into your scenes, and they are pretty high quality assets. As you can see yourself, they're perfect for artists who want to save time and increase the quality of their work. You can get Pulley for $30 on Blender Market. Here is a bonus with a free add-on, GeoCable. I just love adding cables to my scenes, and GeoCables allows you to quickly and easily create cables and wire simulation in your Blender scenes. It's absolutely great for adding more realism and details to your 3D projects. And finally, if you're interested to get 30 high-quality PNG characters to add more personality to your scenes, just like the one you see, check out my PNG character pack below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like that bonus at the end. If you enjoy these type of videos, make sure to subscribe and like this video for more. And if you have any feedbacks, comments, or any ideas, just comment down below. And if you would be interested to dive in my creative workflow or how, the link of my courses will be down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.